routine for you. So let's just go through the bodywork. Everything is good, it's not been touched. The rear bumper has been resprayed, they've been more likely taking it off. It's not properly lined up, but for the age I would consider acceptable. This vehicle has several dings and dents, and there is a excessive visible scratch, and there's visible scratches too. There is some flat spot around here, but probably from the boot where people were coming in and out the vehicle. There is a bit of gap issues on this, but these are plastic wings, you know, they can deteriorate, not deteriorate, but over from the period of the heat they can dislodge slightly. If you don't like it, you can readjust it. It's more visible on the right side compared to left side. Regards to front and rear bumpers, this one has a bit of again excessive scratches. There's a marks around here where it's been driven into somewhere. Some fair marks on it. Stone chip and a scratch. Because it's a bit dusty, you might find some other issues once it's been properly cleaned. Coming back to this side, this door has 1, 2, 3 dings. So as this side has excessive scratches from the tree branches doing too close, and coming here and just finishing off here. And coming back to the bodywork, as I'm stepping in, excessive scratches, excessive wear on both door seals, and the roof has got 1, 2 visible dings. In regards to rear boot, the only part which been resprayed is the rear boot lid, bumper. So otherwise, basically it needs a detailing, you know. So probably around about 500-600 pounds to make it more likely as you would want it. Regards to, it needs tracking. There's uneven tire wears everywhere. This tire is completely perished. The cords are visible. There are signs of fair wear and tear on the bushes front and back. If that tracking would affect, you might need up changing some arms. So interior fair wear and tear marks on all seats. The rear row is quite fresh, not being used. The rear row heating system, it doesn't work. There is a permanent fault. Again, fair wear and tear, vehicle needs excessive clean. Obviously the wear present. This is 50,000 mile car. Service is not yet due. Okay, now what the things I don't like. There is excessive amount of oil in injector seat areas. It's not a blow-bys, but there could be a cracked rocker cover, or this seal here is not sealing and it's pushing oil in there. So as a result of that, obviously there will be somewhere where the oil will leak out the back. There is oil also on that side, on both sides developing, so it could be rocker cover at the back, so developing a leak, or it's because of that oil there, you know, so it's fresh, so something happened recently. There is more likely a leak developing because service been done last year May, you know, so there could be residues, but there is a drips at the back of them where the heat exchanger to cool down the oil. So there is oil drips underneath, so more likely the oil bracket, not a bracket, but housing is leaking. So that all needs sorting out and cleaning and understand what's going on. That's pretty much about a car. give me a call and we can go through it once you see the report. Thanks for using us.